Bees in spring, the awakening of nature. When spring arrives and the sun begins to warm the earth, one of the most beautiful signs of the season is the return of the bees. After the cold months of winter, bees come out of their hives and begin one of nature's most important missions, collecting nectar and pollen. What happens to bees in spring? During winter, bees stay huddled together inside their hive to keep warm, surviving by eating the honey they stored earlier. But in spring, when the first flowers bloom, bees become active again and start flying out in search of food. The worker bees visit flowers like daisies, lavender, cherry blossoms, and many more to collect nectar, which they use to make honey. At the same time, they gather pollen, which is used to feed the baby bees back in the hive. The role of bees in nature. Bees are not just honeymakers, they play a vital role in nature. As they fly from flower to flower, they help pollinate plants. This means they transfer pollen from one flower to another, allowing fruits, vegetables, and seeds to grow. About 70% of the food we eat depends on pollinators like bees. Without them, many of the plants we love, like apples, strawberries, and cucumbers, would not grow properly. Life inside the hive in spring. In spring, the queen bee begins to lay many eggs, creating a new generation of worker bees, guards, and nurse bees. The colony grows quickly as the bees prepare for the busy summer ahead. The hive becomes a buzzing center of life, teamwork, and organization, a perfect example of how animals work together in harmony. Why should we protect bees today? Many bees are in danger due to pesticides, pollution, climate change, and the loss of wildflowers. That's why we must protect bees by planting more flowers, avoiding harmful chemicals, and supporting local beekeepers. Every small action can help save the bees and the planet. Conclusion: spring is the season of new life, and bees are one of its most important symbols. With their hard work, they bring us honey, flowers, fruits, and hope. Bees may be small, but their role in nature is enormous. 6. How humans can help bees. There are many small ways we can protect bees. Plant bee-friendly flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and clover. Avoid using harmful chemicals in your garden. Support local beekeepers by buying natural honey. Learn and share facts about bees with others. Even simple actions can make a big difference for bees. Dangers bees face in spring. Although spring brings flowers and warmth, bees also face many dangers. Pesticides, air pollution, and the loss of wild plants and flowers can make life harder for them. Climate change is also confusing bee activity, causing flowers to bloom too early or too late. These challenges can lead to fewer bees, which affects the entire ecosystem. 2. Spring flowers, food for the bees. As flowers bloom, bees leave the hive to collect nectar and pollen. Nectar is used to make honey, and pollen is a protein-rich food for baby bees. Spring flowers like dandelions, cherry blossoms, and crocuses are very important for bees. Without these early flowers, many bee colonies would struggle to survive.